Hi guys, this is Jhay and welcome back to my channel. Hi nako guys, for today's vlog, I'm really ready for me to go to the airport. It's just almost it's Monday, May 23. So we're really I'm really so excited to go. So I'm just waiting for the Grab kasi I'm having trouble booking. So I will gonna update you guys pag nasa airport na ako. Okay, the car is on the way na. So we're gonna get back to you in the airport, guys. See you in Singapore. So hello guys, I'm here now at the airport. So I'm so excited na. Okay, entrance na.
Face mask to don the oxygen mask.
And we are here now already at the
More information will be provided to you prior to arrival.
Tagal na nag-process. It's almost anong oras na ba? Ayan, 5:25. Magsi 6 na. So, fly muna kami. Fly high butterfly kami. So, see you in Singapore, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Singapore. We've just landed at Singapore Changi Airport, Terminal 1.
We are here now already. So, hello guys. Nandito na po kami sa Singapore. Ang una namin pupuntahan, CR. Char. Naiihi na po kasi ako. Hello guys, ito muna ako CR. Muna natin i-check yung CR. Charot. May ihilang talaga ako. Hi guys, i-pick upin ko na yung bag ko. Ngayon, we're gonna go na to some restaurants, food. And I will get back to you guys. So hi guys, I'm here at the Changi Airport. So I'm exploring the place. So I'm looking for some food to eat. So we're going here at the top para tumingin ng iba-ibang restaurant. Wow, may mga iba-ibang restaurant here. I'm excited for the food. Guys, super excited na akong makikita. So, let's go! Hi guys! This is SJ. Babalik tayo dito sa may Changi International Airport dito sa Singapore. So now, because we cannot eat yet because the store opened here at 11. So, what we're gonna do is to explore you in the area. So, let's go. Here, let's we are in the super top floor of the airport. As you can see, guys, ang daming plants, and this is a green airport. Like you can see talaga na super mini-maintain nila, inaalagaan nila yung natural environment, and they love the nature. So as you can see, as of now kasi, the falls there is not yet open. Pero we can see a small falls there. Then a lot of trees. You know that? And that part naman, as you can see, guys, yun naman yung parang mirror, ano ang tawag dyan? I forgot the name. It's so way going. But by the way, I'm not gonna try it. I'm scared of heights. I feel like really the top here. But you know what, guys? It's really impressed. Super nakaka-impress yung surrounding niya. Swear. So, ngayon naman, lipat tayo sa different location. Oh! Meron pala ditong train. As you can see, oh, it's a train, rail. So, it means, pupunta din dito yung train. Parang nagdaan lang siya. Okay, guys, punta tayo sa ibang location. Let's go. We can go here just to look what was in this location. This is do we have? Wait, we don't. Thank you. So yun pala, guys, wala pala kaming ticket. So dapat dito na sa side na to kasi wala kaming lugi kami ticket. Oh, so kailangan may mga pala, may mga ticket, ganun. But alam mo niyo, guys, hindi naman ako masyadong may excited. Ang may excited ako, food. Baba na tayo, baka mamaya 20 minutes na lang kakain kami. You know what, guys, lagi ako nagkakamali ng left and right dito sa elevator. I always thinking that the right one is the going up and the left one is going down, because it's confusing, you know. But the thing is, here in Singapore, it's baliktad, so you should try it. Yeah, I'm still debating which one I will gonna get for lunch. This one or the other one. There is a mall here at inside of the airport, so and if you need cash, you can withdraw. Hi guys! There's a really real beauty here. So that part is limited area, which you can pay a car or ticket. Then here naman, see, you can just walk but it's hard because you need to use the stairs and you have luggage. So we cannot do that. So I just show you. Oh, now I realize that the circle is inside. There's something inside of the circle. As you can see, guys, meron pa pala siya mga story inside. Ang cute talaga dito. Grabe. You know what, guys? I was gonna tell you a story that when I first got here, I used the CR and the CR was really clean. As in, I'm super maarte using CR in other place, but this one, super clean talaga siya. So, we have 17 minutes pa to get the food. But, may mga limited area kasi. So, I should tour you muna here. Ito guys naman, may dito fountain sila. This is really nice. And cute. You know what, guys? I grew up in the province, so you know, like yung mga ganitong halaman, I didn't realize na it's really important. Because in the province, I just, wala lang, it was there everywhere. And what do you call that? It's like a taro, but I don't know. There's a different kind of that one. Oh, this one is water. So it's salty brown. Oh, it's so cute. Grabe, ang ganda talaga dito. Pero mag-post muna ako, picture muna ako guys. So, balikin ko kayo kapag nahanap na namin yung tamang panahon para kumain. I'm hungry.
Moments later.
Okay guys, here, still the mall. I'm tired now already, but you know what? Madami pang places here that I didn't go. So, hindi ko nga alam. Kailangan nating hanapin ang nakita kong unang-unang food na nagustuhan ko. It's noodles na kakaiba. So, I would like to try it. Let's go! Let's go, guys! This is the one I like to try. Here's the Wagyu. So this is LeNu. Here? It's okay? Wala? Okay. We're gonna show my noodles. Wow! This is Wagyu. This is Estee. Nandito tayo sa mga hanging garden. Sige. Dito lang. Iwan lang ako dito. Ganon. Feel na feel ko ngayon. Nag-retouch na ako kaya medyo maganda-ganda na yung skin natin. So, welcome to Singapore! Ngayon naman, pupunta na tayo sa aking hotel. So, meron silang pang-tamad na escalator. I'm still here at the airport. Hindi pa ako nakakalabas. Sasakay pa lang ako pupunta sa aking hotel. But you can see ang ganda ng location. Medyo kaingay lang kanina. Hello. So, here's our room. Oh, nice. Yun lang masasabi ko. Nice. Guys, magpapahinga muna kami. Because I'm so tired. Babalikan ko kayo mamaya after namin mag-charge. See ya.